is presenting all new Ciaz vehicle facelift version. Also, it comes with an complete LED headlamps for the first time in segment. Also, it comes with an LED projector headlamps, which is in first in segment feature with the chrome bezels. And also, it comes with a glossy front grille with the sportive bumper with the daytime running lights. Gunmetal alloy wheels with 16-inch ratio. It comes with an side indicator with the side mirror. Also, it comes with an quick access button and also chrome accents, chrome bezels, chrome handles. And the tank capacity of Ciaz comes with an 42 liters. This is a trunk lid opener with the chrome finish, and it comes with an reverse parking sensors with LED combination of rear head tail lamps. Also, it comes with an indicators and as well with the chrome bezels. It comes with an glass antenna, which is there is no antenna for additional this thing. Glass itself is the antenna. The all new Ciaz offering the 510 liters of boot space, which is in highest in this segment. The spare key and jog rod toolkits is available in the for the keyless entry. We can use the quick access button. Same push button start stop is available in both from the Delta, Zeta, Alpha, 3 versions available of push start button, which is keyless entry. And also it comes with an electrically foldable and electrically adjustable ORVMs and all power windows. Driver side auto down mirror is available. Also it comes with an smart hybrid technology, which is the green light is showing for eco driving and blue lighting is showing for brake energy regeneration and white lighting for torque assist function. It comes with an cruise control functions, and we can after the 40 kilometers of range we can turn on the cruise and we can enjoy the drive without using any accelerator. And this is that voice commands.
Please say ending speech recognition.
And we can wireless Bluetooth connectivity. Also Ciaz is offering the glow box, which is that we can cup holders and socket, auxiliary port, USB cable, which is while you can close this thing also. Ciaz is offering beige and black along with the satin chrome finish of wood interiors is available in the Ciaz all versions. This is the auto dimming area. While we are running in night times, the backside vehicles we cannot reflect the lighting to your eyes directly. It will protect the lighting. It comes with an armrest along with the glow box. Ciaz is offering the very good legroom for any long distances and for comfortable drivings, and also they are offering the rear AC vents. They are offering the rear AC vents along with the rear power outlet, so that we can conveniently charge our mobile and we can relax ourselves. And this is it will comes with an armrest along with the recliner adjustable headrest. This is the first in segment feature, like complete LED projected headlamps with the daytime LED running lights. Also it comes with an LED fog lamps. This is the complete features of all new Ciaz 2020 model. It's available in only petrol version, which is 1.5 liter smart hybrid engine. Also it's available in 4 versions: Sigma, Delta, Zeta and Alpha. Alpha is a higher variant, Zeta is that but one high end, Delta is the second version, and Sigma is the base entry model. So also it comes with an 42 liters of tank capacity, fuel tank capacity. Certified ARAI mileage is 21.79. But also in practical feedback, customers are saying that 16.5. The basic model of Ciaz comes with an 9.2, which is on-road condition.